Let's be brutally honest. If you are an advanced English learner, repeating the word very over and over is a trap. It makes your English sound flat, repetitive, and completely unnatural. If you're aiming for fluency or trying to crush an advanced exam like C1 Advanced or C2 Proficiency, examiners specifically look at how you handle collocations, how words naturally hang out together. Today, we are diving deep into the world of intensifying and softening adverbs. By the end of this 10-minute video, you'll replace very with sophisticated word combinations that will make you sound incredibly articulate. 1. Spotlessly clean and thoroughly ashamed. Instead of saying a room is very clean, say it is spotlessly clean. Example: Jane really enjoys doing housework. You should see her flat. It's always spotlessly clean. The opposite emotion. If someone acts terribly, they shouldn't just feel sorry. They should feel thoroughly ashamed. Example: It was downright rude of him to say that. I hope he feels thoroughly ashamed. Blatantly obvious and wildly inaccurate. When something is completely clear to everyone, it's not very obvious. It's blatantly obvious. Example: The answer was right there, blatantly obvious to everyone. Stinking rich and dead easy. The casual pair. Use these two highly informal intensifiers. Examples: Instead of very rich, use stinking rich. He just bought a yacht. He's stinking rich. Instead of very easy, use dead easy. I don't know what I was worrying about. The exam turned out to be dead easy. Now, what if you want to make a meaning weaker? You use softening adverbs. These mean a little bit or fairly. This is crucial for sounding polite, nuanced, or academic. Slightly is a weak collocation, meaning it can pair up with a ton of different adjectives. Example: The new insurance scheme is only slightly different from the old one. If you aren't shocked, just a little bit surprised, you are mildly surprised. Example: The chief executive said he was mildly surprised by the public interest. Mildly also pairs perfectly with amusing, irritating, or offensive. Loosely based. This is a gold standard collocation for talking about books, movies, or data. Example: The policy is loosely based on international guidelines. Before we wrap up, we need to talk about the danger zone, the most common mistakes advanced students make with adverbs. The highly versus strongly confusion. Look at this table carefully. Some adverbs work with certain adjectives, but absolutely fail with others. The absolutely rule. Absolutely only pairs with adjectives that already have extreme, strong meanings. Wrong. I am absolutely happy. Right. I am very happy, or I am absolutely delighted. Let's see if you mastered today's lesson. How would you upgrade this sentence using our collocations? Comment your answers below. If you want to keep improving your fluency, don't just memorize single words. Start noticing how they team up. Smash that like button if you thoroughly enjoyed today's video. Subscribe for more advanced English content, and I will see you in the next lesson.